Granville Woods was the first African American to be a mechanical and electrical engineer after the Civil War. He was born in Columbus, Ohio on April 23, 1856, to free African Americans, with a Native American mother and an African American father, which made him a child of mixed race. Granville attended school in Columbus until age 10, but had to leave due to his family poverty, which made him in need for work. He served for apprenticeships in machine shops and learned the trades of blacksmith. In 1872, Woods obtained a job as a fireman on the Danville and Southern Railroad in Missouri, eventually becoming an engineer. From 1876 to 1878, Woods lived in New York, taking courses in engineering and electricity. After finishing college, Woods got a job on board a British ship called Ironside, where he quickly became the chief engineer. He then moved back to Ohio, where he worked at Daytona for a little more than a year, then started his own business as an electrical engineer in Cincinnati, Ohio. Here he designed and manufactured and sold electrical equipment. After his first patient, which was from a steam boiler furnace, he continued to improve on his inventions. One of his most important inventions was the synchronous multiplex railway telegraph, also known as the induction telegraph, a device which allowed moving trains to communicate with stations via voice.
After receiving the patients from the multiplex telegraph, Woods reorganized his business, called it Woods Electric Company, and taking on his brother Woods as a partner. Another important invention was a device called telegraphy, which is a combination of a telephone and telegraph, and allowed telegraph stations to send voices as well as telegraph messages, all in a single wire. Granville Woods often had difficulties in enjoying his success as other inventors made claims to his devices. Thomas Edison made one of these claims, stating that he had first created a similar telegraph and that he was entitled to the patent for the device. Woods was successfully able to defend his patent in court, and Edison later approached Woods to take him on as a partner. This offer, however, was refused by Woods. People started referring to him as Black Edison because of his significant achievement in the same field as Edison. Granville died on January 30 of 1910 in New York City. In all, he held more than 15 patents all over his lifetime. He was remarkable not only for being one of the foremost African-American engineers and inventors, but also for his contribution to the fields of railroad technology and communication.